Well, from the looks of it, it looks like we've traveled, I think it said about 900 kilometers. Let's see, and the current temperature and the air speed, or ground speed, I'm sorry, 898 kilometers or miles. I missed it. So, but it looks like we're just barely off the coast of America. So I'm gonna say that we still have quite a distance to travel. So, and let's see here what we've got. So I think that's 10 hours remaining, and we've traveled about 5 hours. Or no, it hasn't been 5 hours. I think more like 3. So that's showing us where we're supposed to be, and that's showing like off the coast of Canada, coming up on southern Alaska, I believe, as we're crossing. There it is again. Looks like about 8,800 kilometers still to go. And I'm assuming it's kilometers because it is in Chinese. And there again, it's showing us where we're at. And if I'm not mistaken, that is a map of Western Canada. And again, some more things I can't read or understand. But there's the flight path from San Francisco all the way to Shanghai Pudong Airport, just there north of Hong Kong. And again, here we go, showing us where we're at. Yep, and it shows we're north of Seattle along the western coast of Canada. So, all right, so I'll continue to try to do these updates and get these videos will probably have to be posted individually, since I do not have an editing app yet where I could just merge them all together for a smoother video entertainment experience. So, signing off from Eastern China Airlines Flight 590 off the west coast of Canada, headed to Shanghai, China, and then on to the Philippines from there. So if you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe, and be sure to hit the bell so you can get notifications every time I post a new video, especially once I'm on the ground in Shanghai and on the ground in the Philippines, because I plan on getting all over the Philippines. So again, hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell notification. Love y'all. Thank you for listening and watching.